Dabblers, welcome to activity number 4 from the Sensory Play-Doh series called Build It with Dough. For this, you'll require Dabble Sensory Play-Doh and straws which are child safe. Today's activity, it's a hands-on construction challenge. Ask your child to roll some small balls of Dabble Sensory Play-Doh. You can roll them in different shapes like triangles and even squares. These will act like connectors or joints. Hand your child a few straws and encourage them to connect the dough balls to form a shape. Start simple, a triangle or a square. Then try building 3D shapes like cubes, pyramids, or even houses. It's fun to see shapes grow and stand, and even better when they figure it out on their own. Here, the child learns shape recognition as they identify 2D and 3D shapes, build on spatial awareness as they think about how pieces fit together. So have fun, keep learning, and happy dabbling. Bye bye.